Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the second chapter of the supplementary reader, Bringing Up Curry, written by Dan Gopal Mukherjee. All of you take your English supplementary reader for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope that all of you take your English supplementary reader for the class. Today we are going to deal the second chapter, Bringing Up Curry, written by Dan Gopal Mukherjee. Actually, this is a Hindi story. Let us go to the story. The summary of the first page. Curry was 5-month-old elephant. The narrator, 9-year-old child, took care of him. Both grew together. Curry grew tall earlier than the boy, and he lived in a shed with a straw roof. Curry once saved the life of the boy drowning in the river. He ate 40 pounds of twigs a day. Every morning he was taken to the river for his bath. The narrator rubbed his body with the ash sand for an hour. Curry loved to roll in the water for a long time. The narrator led him by the ear to the border of the jungle. He liked to eat tasty and sweet smelling leaves of the banyan tree. Now take the page number 10 and 11. Summary of these two lines. One spring day in March, the narrator suddenly heard a call of Curry. He went to the river bank. He saw some creature trying to save itself from drowning. He felt helpless. Curry pushed him into the water to save the boy. Curry also stood firmly on the bank of the river, and Curry saw the narrator being carried away by the current. He rushed into the water and spread out his trunk around the boy's neck. He then pulled them both to the bank. Curry was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good. He was naughty also. One day somebody gave him some banana to eat. Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas. He then started to talking away the fruits from the dining table. One day all bananas on the table disappeared. The family blamed the narrator and the servant for eating all the fruits. The narrator child couldn't convince them that he was innocent. Then one day he saw the curry picking up fruits with its trunk through the window, and he then found Curry eating the banana in his pavilion. He pulled the thief by the ear and presented him to before his parents. He scolded the Curry for that. Afterwards, Curry never stole anything. He accepted the punishment for his mischief quietly. Now the summary of 12, 13 and 14 pages. Curry was a fast learner. He learned what to do when the narrator said that or Mali. That was a single to sit down while Mali meant to walk. He took 3 weeks to learn that. The most difficult thing to teach the elephant is master call. Curry took 5 years to learn it properly. The master call is a strange hissing and howling sound, as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. Each sound was to be made in a Curry's ear. It was necessary to teach him such a sound. If someone got lost, the only thing to do then was to give a master call. Curry would instantly come for his help. Actually, this is the story, and this is the story about an elephant, and you have to read this story. I will give the question answers of this lesson. Thank you, children.